Meeting called to order. Councilmember Chapman.
Here.
Councilmember Clayton.
Here.
Councilmember Kendall.
Here.
Deputy Mayor Quinn.
Here.
Mayor Moore.
Here.
Please stand for a silent prayer, a moment of reflection. We will now salute the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. As to comply with the Open Public Meetings Act, Chapter 231, PL 1975, adequate notice of this meeting has been provided in the following manner. The annual notice was forwarded to the Asbury Park Press, the Coaster, and the Star Ledger on January 7, 2021, and posted on the bulletin board the same date. All notices are on file with the city clerk. We are now on to the proclamation. We have a proclamation proclaiming September as Hunger Action Month. Is anyone here from Fulfill? All right. We are now on to the special event applications.
I love that color leash.
Pink, blue.
Good evening, Mayor and Council. The first application before you is a request to use the beach for the You Are Loved event on September 26th. Next is the center, the annual cycling event on September 25th. And last but not least is the Asbury Park Punk Rock Flea Market to be held on October 3rd with a rain date of, the rain date's fine, October 10th. Are there any questions?
None for me, thank you.
Thank you.
We're on to matters from City Council. Councilmember Chapman?
I just want to make an announcement about the Monmouth County Light Up the Shore, honoring the heroes of 9/11. The Monmouth County Board of Commissioners, in conjunction with 53 municipalities in Monmouth County, will host Light Up the Shore in honor of the lives lost and the fearless display of heroism by rescue teams and citizens who responded to the tragedy on 9/11, 2001. The Asbury Park community will meet on the boardwalk on Saturday, September 11th at 8:46 to light up the skyline using cell phones to honor these heroes.
And that's PM, Councilwoman.
PM.
Thank you.
That's it. That's all I got.
Councilmember Clayton?
Okay, the city is receiving a grant from Sustainable New Jersey that will provide a limited number of compost bins to residents on a first-come, first-served basis. So any resident who is interested in receiving
They said
the
not to
grant,
read that.
It's okay, Mayor. We'll
Okay, yeah, they're sending an email saying don't read it.
I'm sorry, never mind.
We are endeavoring to get
They already gave them all out.
Due to the extreme outpouring of requests, we're looking to use some of our sustainable money to purchase additional composting. So if people are still interested, please send an email to Michelle Alonso and we will try to accommodate everyone that's interested.
Oh, too funny.
Yeah, they ran out.
That's a good thing.
Yes.
Right.
Councilmember Kendall?
Okay. I just want to congratulate Arlene and your group for putting on the Monday night concerts. Beautiful job you guys did, and a lot of people around are very proud of you and wish you the best of luck for next year. Thank you.
Thanks, Jesse. It was a labor of love.
I have nothing.
I have nothing this time either, thank you.
Matters from the city manager?
Nothing, Melody.
Matters from the city attorney?
Nothing at this time for me either.
We're now on to the public participation portion of the meeting. Do I have a motion to open the meeting to the public with a three-minute time limit for each speaker?
Move it.
Second?
All in favor? Any members of the public who wish to be heard, please go to the mic, state your name and address for the record, and you will have 3 minutes. None.
Move to close?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
The public portion of the meeting is now closed.
I don't know that that's ever happened before.
No, that's the first. That's the first.
We are now on to the minutes. We have the Municipal Council Executive Meeting of August 25th and the Municipal Council Regular Meeting of August 25th. Do I have a motion?
Move it?
Second?
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman.
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton.
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall.
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn.
Yes.
Mayor Moore.
Yes.
We are now on to the consent agenda. All matters listed on the consent agenda are presented collectively to the City Council and will be considered for approval with one vote. These matters are considered to be routine in nature and there will be no individual discussion of these items. If discussion is desired by one or more council member as to any particular item, then said item shall be removed from the consent agenda and considered separately. We have Resolution 21-392, Resolution 21-393, Resolution 21-394 on the consent agenda. Do I have a motion?
Move it.
Second?
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
Yes.
We are on to individual resolutions. Resolution 2021-395, a resolution approving the payment of bills. Do I have a second?
Yes. Second.
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
No.
Resolution 21-396, a resolution appointing Community Grants Planning and Housing LLC to serve as affordable housing administrative agent for the City of Asbury Park.
Move it.
Do I have a second?
Not hearing a second, the motion dies, so go to the next.
I'll second the motion.
Okay.
Yep.
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
No.
Resolution 2021-397, a resolution authorizing engineering, design, and bidding services to T&M Associates for 3 additional RBC replacements at the wastewater treatment plant.
Move it?
Second?
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
Yes.
Resolution 2021-398, a resolution authorizing a contract with Safety EMS and Safety Training LLC for fire department training.
Move it.
Second?
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
Yes.
Resolution 2021-399, authorizing the purchase of scanning device and labor associated with digitization of records and records management improvements.
Move it?
Second.
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
Yes.
Resolution 2021-400, a resolution authorizing payment to the Asbury Park small businesses through Community Development Block Grant, CDBG, CV CARES Act funds.
Move it.
Second.
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
Yes.
Resolution 2021-401, a resolution authorizing the reimbursement to the Boys and Girls Club of Monmouth through Community Development Block Grant, CDBG, funding for the installation of an HVAC unit.
Move it.
Second?
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman?
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton?
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall?
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn?
Yes.
Mayor Moore?
Yes.
Resolution 2021-402, a resolution authorizing the repairs to a 2018 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor vehicle number 49.
Move it.
Second.
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman.
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton.
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall.
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn.
Yes.
Mayor Moore.
Yes.
We are on to second readings, public hearings. The public hearing is on ordinance 2021-32, a capital ordinance providing for the records management improvements by and in the city of Asbury Park in the county of Monmouth, the state of New Jersey, appropriating $125,000 therefore from the capital improvement fund to pay for the cost therefore. Will we have a brief overview before we open the public hearing?
Sure, Melody. This is an ordinance to award a contract to CDWG to digitize our documents that are distributed throughout boxes and storage units throughout the city, and also the materials and labor associated with this endeavor.
Thank you.
Anybody like to be heard or ask questions?
Do I have a motion to open the public hearing on ordinance 2021-32?
Move it.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
The public hearing is now open on ordinance 2021-32. Do any members of the public have any questions that wish to be heard? Please go to the mic and state your name and address for the record.
Motion to close. Oh, I thought you meant. Motion to close.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
The public hearing is now closed on ordinance 2021-32. Do I have a motion to adopt ordinance 2021-32?
Move to adopt?
Roll call. Councilmember Chapman.
Yes.
Councilmember Clayton.
Yes.
Councilmember Kendall.
Yes.
Deputy Mayor Quinn.
Yes.
Mayor Moore.
Yes.
We are now on to adjournment. Motion to adjourn?
Move to adjourn.
All in favor?
All right. Is this a
Meeting
record
is
too?
now adjourned.
This one.